ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞನ ವಚನಗಳು like Vemana in Telugu, Tiruvalluvar in Tamil, Tukkaram in Marathi, Sarvajna is in Kannada. He is a poet of unequaled wisdom. Let us see one or two of his Tripadas, poems with only 3 lines. Triplet number 1. ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಎಂಬುವನು ಗರ್ವಾದಿಯಿಂದ ಆದವನೇ. ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಎಂಬುವನು ಗರ್ವಾದಿಯಿಂದ ಆದವನೇ. ಸರ್ವರೊಳ್ಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ನುಡಿ ಕಳಿತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಪರ್ವತವೇ ಆದ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ was made of vanity too. Sarvajna was made of vanity too. He learnt a word of wisdom from each, thereby became a mountain of knowledge. Sarvajna was made of vanity too. He learnt a word of wisdom from each, thereby became a mountain of knowledge. Telugu version by me. సర్వజ్ఞుడును కూడా గర్వమ్ము గలవాడే. సర్వజ్ఞుడును కూడా గర్వమ్ము గలవాడే. ఒవ్వరుల నుండెన్నో సంగతులను నేర్చి జ్ఞానమను పర్వతం మాయన అతండు. సర్వజ్ఞ means knower of all, knower of everything, was same as you and me. However, by learning one word of wisdom from each person, he became a mountain of knowledge and came to be known as Sarvajna, omniscient. Another Tripada. ಆರು ಬೆಟ್ಟವನು ಹಾರಿದನು ಎಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಹಾರಿದ ಎಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಬೇಕು ಮೂರ್ಖರ ಬಳಿ. ಜಗಳ ಬೇಡ ಇಂತಿ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. Somebody says, I jumped across 6 mountains. Yes, he did. You should say, no discussion with fools. Prove them not wrong, Sarvajna. My Telugu version. 6 గుట్టల మీదుగా నెగిరితిని నేనంటే, 6 గుట్టల మీదుగా నెగిరితిని నేనంటే, అవునవును అనవలే మూర్ఖులకు అదే తగును, వాదం అవసరమే లేదు సర్వజ్ఞ. The wise men have a weakness. They tend to tame the most foolish of men, but fail every time. A fool, if he says, I jumped across 6 mountains, wise man would say, most people can only jump 1 foot or 2. Fool will say, no, I just jumped and just flew across the mountains. Wise man says the best a man can jump is 3 to 4 feet vertically. Fool says, see, you got me wrong. I said I flew horizontally. Wise man says, yes, maybe you are a superman. Fool says, you did not know? Wise man says, nods his head in shame, does not say anything. Sarvajna here says, O foolish wise man, try not an argument with fools, for if they exaggerate, nod your head in agreement. Valuable discrepancy serves no purpose to him. He is what he is, a fool.